Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Today at noon, we are going to have a live webinar, and it's going to show the retirement strategy, what we do as far as where you can see the bot run, and see how you can get joined in if it's something that may work for you. How you get started is you go to spymoneyllc.com. You scroll down here and you're going to say register for free live webinar. When you when you put your first name, last name, your email address, and click subscribe, you're going to get an email. In that email, you're going to have to opt in to get signed up for this. If you do not opt in, it won't work. Check your spam folders in case you don't receive it, because it may go to spam. It shouldn't, but it may. And make sure that you opt in for this. Today at 11:30 Eastern Time, I'm going to go ahead and send out another link to where you can join. So if you get this done before 11:30 today, then you'll get joined. If you don't, you'll get subscribed in for the next one that we do, and then I'll send out emails whenever I go live with webinars. You can watch through these videos right here. Look at this. If you want to see the bot actually trade live, you go to Live Bot up here. When you go there, you can scroll down. You'll see the bot trading at different times. It's not every day that I post these. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, video, whatever. That's just not me. Most of our people, we stay in the Discord. We live trade, live train, and make sure that everybody's doing the right thing. Today is going to be the last day that we have the $200 off the first month. So if you're wanting to join, today's your last day to get that discount. It's $1,000 the first month and $1,200 thereafter. After today, it's going to be $1,200 every month. And we're only going to take in a few more people right now. I usually take in just a handful of people, make sure that we can get them up and going and that everybody's doing real well. We don't want an influx of too many people at one time. We are a small company. We're going to stay a small company. And we're just going to bring in a certain amount of people. Once we hit the number that I have in mind, then I'm going to shut the leases off. So if you want to get started, today would be the day to do it. One, you're going to save some money. And two, you want to make sure that you can reserve your spot. We're not going to take in too many more people in our system. We have a good group of people. All very good professional traders now and just doing great. Everybody's making money every week, mostly daily, doing very well, passing evaluation accounts, taking out money out of their PA accounts and so forth. And to get started with that, you can go up here to affiliates. When you click on that, these are our partners we have. You can sign up for Quantower here, and down here some prop firms that we recommend. Take Profit and Apex are probably the two main ones that we like. Tradeify only has Tradeivate accounts, so it's really difficult. It costs more money to be able to trade that by using the Trade Syncer. But if you want to get started and do right, then what I would do is get signed up with the Apex. They got 80% off right now. Use the coupon code SPYMONEY right here. Use that coupon code on all three of these and save money. You can save 80% on Apex, 40% on Take Profit. At the time of this video anyway, if you use the coupon code SPYMONEY, you're going to get the best deal on all three of these at any time. So whatever the best deal they're running, the SPYMONEY code will get you that. Sometimes Apex will run 90% off, and it's a lot cheaper. Right now, it's still 80% off is really cheap. Get them while you can and get the bot running with it and copy trade over to everything and make it where you can get these passed and then start drawing money out. That's what we all want to do. We want the money. Again, you go into the lease program over here. If you already know that you want to sign up, just go ahead and fill out this information here. It is an interview process. We don't allow everybody in, and we want to make sure that you're a good fit for us and we're a good fit for you. We want to go over everything, make sure you understand everything before you even give me money. What company does that? We're not looking to take every single person in. It's just not what we do. I probably turn away 30% of the people wanting to join because it's just not a good fit. We're looking for people that are going to do well. If you've been with us before, you want to get signed up, as long as your account is in good standing, we go ahead and just let you sign in. So go ahead and fill this information out. If you agree to all this, click submit, and then we will get you on the interview process and get you started. Again, if you want to join today in the live webinar, if you're not signed up, then scroll down here to the home page, put this information in. We will get that link sent out to you at 11:30 today. Everybody have a great day. Hope to see you in the live today, and let's get you started. The bot is doing very well. Again, if you look here, $30,115 on one contract since November is what the bot has made, including the live trading we've done this month. Everybody have a great day. See you at noon.